Nova Icaria Beach in Barcelona is one of the great destinations to relax and enjoy the warm sunshine of the Mediterranean coast. With fine sand and clear blue seawater, Nova Icaria attracts visitors from all over to enjoy the quiet space and experience recreational water activities such as surfing, windsurfing, and even diving. Nova Icaria Beach is located east of Barcelona, one of Spain's largest cities and the capital of Catalonia. The exact location of this beach is between two other famous beaches, Barceloneta and Bogatel, stretching on the Mediterranean coast, offering a beautiful picture with many opportunities for relaxation and entertainment. The people here reflect the diversity and inclusion of the city of Barcelona. Visitors can meet both locals and people from around the world, creating a rich and vibrant cultural space. The vibrant and exciting feeling of sea life is an indispensable part of life here. Animal nature and coral reefs are an inseparable part of the marine ecosystem, playing an important role in maintaining biodiversity and ecological balance of the ocean. Coral reefs are limestone structures created from disparate coral reefs, which provide habitat for thousands of species of marine plants and animals. These beach girls can be locals or tourists from many different countries, bringing with them diverse styles and beauty. From colorful bikinis to cute dresses and comfortable clothes, they create a symbol of confidence and comfort within themselves. Nova Icaria Beach plays an important role in promoting Spain's tourism industry, especially in the context of Barcelona being a leading European tourist destination. The attraction of this beach is not only about its natural beauty but also about its convenience and accessibility from the city center. Subscribe to our channel now so you don't miss any adventures and stay updated on the latest videos. Please support us by clicking the subscribe button and sharing with your friends and relatives. With authentic and emotional videos, we will take you through the most beautiful places around the world, from amazing beaches to majestic mountains, from vibrant cities to beautiful beaches. Peaceful Village.